I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've noticed an unauthorized withdrawal on your American Express account, disputing it can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the dispute process, collect all relevant information including your account number, transaction details, and any supporting documents. This will help streamline your claim. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your American Express online account or mobile app. This is where you'll initiate the dispute process. If you haven't set up online access yet, you will need to do that first. Step 3. Find the transaction. Navigate to your transaction history and locate the specific withdrawal you want to dispute. Click on it to view more details. Be sure to double-check the amount and date to avoid mistakes. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Once you've selected the transaction, look for the option to dispute it. Follow the prompts to fill out the necessary information, explaining why you believe the charge is incorrect. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your dispute, keep an eye on your email for any updates from American Express. They may request additional information, so be ready to respond promptly. Disputing a withdrawal can feel daunting, but by following these steps, you can tackle it effectively. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.